Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to my channel, my name's Nolan and today I've got the cheapest Traxxas Slash project out with me. I'm at my top speed location. Now the most recent time you would have seen this machine, I was actually down in Texas at the dunes and at the beach. And I made a comment in a couple of those videos saying I was surprised at how fast this machine was. And I said when I got home, I wanted to throw a GPS on and do a top speed test. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. I've got this GPS right here. I think it's made for pedal bikes, but it works very well on RCs and I find it to be extremely accurate. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. Now for batteries, we're gonna do a 3S test as well as a 4S. So I've got my batteries right here. This one I actually had to tape back together because the hard case broke in half. All the cells seem to be intact though, and it holds charge, so I'm going to keep on using it. But this is an 8,000 milliamp CNHL pack, 120C, 3-cell pack, so we're going to run that first. And then after that, where is it? There it is. After that, I've got this 6,500 milliamp ADC discharge rate Ovonic 4-cell pack to throw in. So let me go ahead and get the body off, show you what the power system is real quick. I also think I'm going to swap this body off. I've got my Baja Bug body from Summit Link with me, and for speed test I typically run the Baja Bug body just because it doesn't catch the air nearly as much as the short course body does, and I want to keep the thing on the ground. So we'll probably run the Baja Bug body for the speed test. So for the power system, we are running a Castle Copperhead 10 ESC. That right there is a 4S capable ESC, and that is combined with a 1412 3200 kV Castle Brushless Motor that is censored. Now for gearing, I couldn't remember what I was running, so I popped the cover off, and I'm actually running a 16-tooth pinion and a 58-tooth spur gear. But that is not the stock 48-pitch gears. I actually upgraded to 32-pitch gears, which are much better. They hold up a lot better to bashing. I highly recommend swapping over to 32-pitch gears on your Slash two-wheel drive. I am running the Proline Blockade tires, which I think should be nice and grippy on the pavement. This RC has got a lot of other upgrades, including the low center of gravity conversion kit and Proline Power Stroke shocks. Alrighty guys, I've got the 3S pack installed. I've got the GPS mounted up, set to record the maximum speed in miles per hour. So let me go ahead, get the Baja Bug body mounted on, and we'll hop out on the road for some speed tests. Go ahead, put in the comments down below, what do you think it's gonna get on 3S, and what do you think it's gonna get for top speed on 4S? Alrighty guys, time to rock and roll, here we go. I might have to take my glove off. I can't fit my finger in to the trigger. It's a bad thing about finding gloves at work to run your RC car. All right, road is looking clear, so here we go for a pass. All right, spin around right there. Looking clear, and here we go, rolling on the power. That's 10 right there. Alright, I'm sure we got a good top speed there, but let's do one more back in this direction for good measure. Here we go. That's 10. Alright, I guarantee that picked up a good top speed. So let's bring it in and see what we got. Alright, let me get this body off and see what she picked up. .2 mile per hour maximum. So keep in mind that speed might not be that impressive because that's pretty similar probably to a stock rig. A stock Slash two-wheel drive on 3S with stock gearing probably will go somewhere between 45 and 50. But I could gear this thing up quite a bit. And this system is obviously 4S capable. So let me zero this back out. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the 4-cell pack in, and we'll see what type of top speed this thing can do on 4S. Alrighty guys, I've got the 4S battery in, got the GPS zeroed out, and mounted back up. So let me get the body on, and we'll head back out on the road for a couple more passes. Time for 4S, here we go. Road is looking clear. All right, down to right about there. Spin her around, and here we go, rolling on the power. Right there, pinned. I just got up to pin for a split second. Rolling on the power. Ooh, lost control. We got a car coming. We were just right on the fringe of hitting top speed there. I was just about up to full throttle, but you know, two-wheel drives, they want to lift. I'm going to try to do this without looking at it because I don't want to know how fast we've gone. I might actually turn the camera off. I don't want to look at the GPS. Alright, unfortunately my other strap broke. This is the last strap I have, so I mounted the GPS back up. I decided we're going to do this last speed pass, or last couple speed passes with the body off, because just going into the wind, even with the Baja Bug body, which is better than the short course body, that air gets underneath and it's very hard to keep it on the ground and really get it up to full throttle on 4S. So we're just going to run it with the body off and see if we can get a good top speed in. So as soon as the road clears, we're going to hop on. All right, here we go. I could just about catch that car. All right, spin around right there. Looking clear from this direction. And here we go. Rolling on that power. Right there at the last second we got up to pin, but I want to get one more good one in this direction. Here we go. It's so hard to get that power down. We'll do one more in this direction real quick. That's in right there, but it still wants to lift up. That's just the nature of a two-wheel drive machine. What are you gonna do? And we got another car coming. That's probably gonna be the best we're gonna get, guys, so let's get the GPS and see what we picked up. All right, moment of truth. What did we pick up? We picked up 54.1 miles per hour. That might not seem like much. Like I said, with a regular VXL model, if you put the high-speed gearing on, you can go 60. But this has a lot more longevity in my opinion, and it just runs cooler. This has a lot more potential for being geared up. And honestly, I think we left maybe a couple more miles per hour on the table, just because I only touched top speed for just a split second. I really think this is probably 56 or 57 mile per hour gearing. We only got it up to 54.1. That's plenty of speed for bashing. That's honestly more than enough speed for bashing. So if you guys did enjoy this video, I know it didn't go exactly to plan. Please go ahead and hit that like button. Also make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for future videos. Later.